Hello everyone and welcome to another California Gator video. My name's Gator and today I come to you with some updates and some well-deserved thanks. Thank you to everybody who downloaded our app from our website for free, and thank you to everybody who supported us on the App Store. It means the world to us. It really does. We appreciate it greatly. When we set out to make Appdeck, we were hurt by a feature that was taken away from us so abruptly and without reason or explanation, and we wanted to create something that would just work. You know, there's a lot of alternatives out there, a lot of having to build your own app kind of projects, some source code, GitHub project stuff, but it's not a replacement. It's not an app. It's not something that just anybody can download and go get. But you know what is? Appdeck. And that's what we wanted to do. An app that you click, download, install, and run, and it just works. And that's what we wanted to make. So thank you to everybody who downloaded the app and everybody who supports our project. But we did want to show you a couple of features that we actually came up with in this new version that just came out, which is 1.1.3, and we wanted to show you in this video. So I know you could see it down here. Yeah, we have page dots. Because obviously, you know, you couldn't see before how many pages of icons you had, but now you can. And you can, you know, it's a simple feature. We did think about it at the very beginning, but we were a little bit late in the stages of development to add it, and so we had to go back in there and refactor a couple of things. But everything works. We appreciate it and we like it. Page dots, everybody. Now for the key headliner. You can see I have this icon right here. I kind of want to put it with this one. What's that outline that's growing? Is that a folder that I just created? I think it is. Here, let me just see if I can. Phone apps. Bam! Look at that. Now you have folder creation from within Appdeck. You no longer have to go into your applications folder and create a folder there and drag all your apps to it. This is the new way to do it in Appdeck. And I think it's a way that we're going to keep because it actually works pretty well, and we like the way that it works. And you might be wondering now, Gator, how do I remove a folder? Well, easy. Once you remove all the apps from that folder, you no longer have a folder, because why would you need it? And it works just exactly the same as it did before. You can still go in here and drag an app and put it in that place, and it'll move. It works exactly the same as it did. It's just now if you hold an icon on top of another icon for a little bit, it will create a folder. So those are the new features that we wanted to show you guys. We think they're going to be very useful, and I can't wait to see people use it. You know, I can't wait to see more people downloading it. The update is actually going to be available on the App Store once Apple approves it. And then it's already available on our website for free, so you could just download it, install it, and it'll update automatically. You won't have to you know, go in here and change anything. It will already be set up. We just wanted to make an app that works, and that's what we did. And I know this is going to be a sneak peek into some of the premium features that are coming. Now, this is not going to be enabled by default for everybody. Like I said, it's going to be a little bit of a premium feature alongside another one that I'm going to tell you here soon. But I know you saw it when I moved to this page, and I wanted to address it. Removable drives. Yes, they will show up on your Appdeck. Right now, Apple's trying to fix their macOS Tahoe build because they messed up something with permissions that doesn't allow you to go in there and check removable drives without doing some sort of like workaround. We didn't want to have to do that. That's why the feature hasn't been released yet. We want to make sure that they fix their issue first so that our app just works. But yes, removable drives will show up on your Appdeck, and you'll be able to eject them the same way that you would any other drive, right? So that's pretty cool. You know, we like it. We wanted to show you that little sneak peek. Another thing that's coming to Appdeck that I wanted to tell you guys about is customization. So you'll actually be able to change every single icon in your Appdeck to whatever icon file you want. It's going to be completely up to you. We are working on that. Like I said, these are going to be more premium features. the Appdeck base app is already as good as we wanted it to be. Honestly, it does pretty much everything we wanted it to do. But there are a lot of things that we can still do, and there are a lot of good things coming. And you already previewed one, and then I'll have to show you guys later the customization. But we thank you. Thank you for supporting the project. Thank you for supporting our work. And we hope to see more and more people downloading Appdeck and enjoying something that just works. A launch pad to productivity in the purest sense of the words, in the purest meaning of that phrase. So thank you so much. We appreciate it. Y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.